right, today we are out here at 562 Lady Irelyn Court. This is the beautiful Cali model home built by DR Horton. It's located right next to one of their community dog parks right here. Obviously it's not fenced in, so it's not one of their more substantial dog parks right there, but nice open field directly next to the home there, so no side neighbor. But let's go ahead and walk on inside. So a little bit about Victoria Oaks. Victoria Oaks is going to be a community located on the southeast side of the DeLand and part of the greater Victoria Park neighborhood. So real quick before I start talking about the property, this home is located within the Victoria Oaks and Victoria Park community. And a little bit more about the Victoria Oaks and Victoria Park community is that Victoria Park is a master plan community with 5 different neighborhoods within it. So Victoria Park is located on the southeast side of DeLand and easy access over to I-4. So if you're commuting over to Orlando, down in Seminole County, maybe you're gonna go out to Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach, you're centrally located and it's just a fantastic location. All right, so Victoria Oaks is one of the 5, as I was talking about, and a part of the HOA fee, which is $203 per month at the time of the video, the HOA fee includes your irrigation, your internet, cable TV, access to 3 different community pools and gyms, and a few different other amenities such as walking trails, and within one of the other neighborhoods there's actually a couple of restaurants, there's a golf course, so it's just a fantastic just location and amenity wise within the HOA. All right, so now a little bit more about the Cali model. So the Cali model is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,828 square feet. No, this is not a model home. This is actually a resale home. It's just about a year old, built in 2023. So far here in the video, we've covered the front of the property, we've covered the front 3 bedrooms, the laundry room, and now we're getting into the open living area. So a couple of different things that the owners have done since buying the property is they've installed these pendant lights, which didn't come standard with the builder. So they added a 3rd pendant light right there down the middle. They added this nice light right over the dining table, the eating kitchen area. And then they have screened in the patio as well. Now, if you remember from the front, I did show you that there's a nice green space right next to the home. So it almost acts like a little bit bigger of a yard without having to maintain it. Pretty nice feature. All right, as you can see, we're standing in the living room right now, and I'll pan out to just a great big living space. Let's go this direction here. Nice granite countertops, white cabinets, very open. All right, now into the master bedroom. Good sized room, plenty of furniture here, and still plenty of room to walk around. On the ensuite bathroom, you've got dual vanities, shower, linen closet straight ahead, and then a big open, big walk-in closet right there. Obviously you got the water closet too, is very important as well. All right, and then one more thing that I did not cover in the video originally was that this pantry is very large for your standard kitchen. So you've got plenty of room for storage, nice stainless steel appliances, and standing from the sink here, just a great view over the open concept living area. If there's anything we can do to help you out, please feel free to reach out to me anytime.